affection. When they needed food, you changed the flesh of beasts into savory meat for them. During all the ages, your mysterious flame has been a symbol to them for spirit. So, so at this hour, we light our fire in remembrance of the great Spirit who gave you to us. Let there be light, fire from the north. This is the light scouting. It radiates enthusiasm, as light brings out the sparkle in diamonds. Enthusiasm brings out the sparkle in scouting. Fire from the south. This is the light of scouting. Its energy gives us the strength to do our best. Fire from the east. This is the light of scouting. It touches everyone. Remember the brotherhood we share together in this place. Fire from the west. This is the light of scouting.
Maglumilaw na lang siya, pero yang hiling ka na niya, bikanta na dito na hiling. Oh, nang matasag na lang mo si kanta-kanta.
Touch as with the magic of its mystery. May we see it in its dance, the ever-changing beauty of the world. May this fire be good medicine, where fellowship, adventure, and fun sit side by side. May this fire tonight remain forever in our hearts. Even as the fire kindled by our ancestors has remained alive through the ages. Spirit red, thy hunger must be fed. Spirit hot, forget us not.
Di ba na sa manita?
As the years grow old, keep us from the
Ito,
cold.
amo, ragi ko na nila photographer
Spirit white, in the darkness of the night, be our shining light. I now declare the campfire open.